Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel all about quantity. Hi friend, today I will teach how to convert your drawing to PDF or image. So first of all, Control P, press the Control P and your printout dialog box is open. Coming here to select DWG to PDF and don't change this one, just change here. If you need it to color copy, so select CAD and select yes, and center, select this point, center the plot, and here select window. If you need it to whole drawing, so select all. If you need it just one, so select only one, and then coming to previews. So here you will also looking, if you will convert, so your drawing looking like this on PDF. So cancel this one and then select the OK option, and where you need it to save, so changing here. Here you also looking to PDF, we need it to desktop, so save. So you are trying to convert to PDF. Now how to convert to image? So again, Control V and here coming down and select to PGP your image JPG, and here coming to changing this option, select the window and select the whole drawing and center the plot, and also looking here to CAD and click the previous option. So previews show to you how to when you will save, so your drawing looking like this. Select the cancel option and select the OK option. Here needed same option where you needed to save and select here you are there and OK. So now we will want to looking, can they convert to image? So coming here, now you also looking, we will convert my drawing to image, and here we will convert to PDF, but we can't PDF install, so they can't open. So please install PDF. Thanks for watch.